In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having a printer issue on your Windows 10 computer. So this will show you how to rename a printer, and this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. Open up the Start menu, select the Setting gear icon on the left side. Where you hover over it, it says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select underneath Devices, just go ahead and left click on that tile, and then select Printers and Scanners on the left side. Locate whatever printer or scanner you want to rename, and then select the Manage button. Select Printer Properties. So now that you have selected Printer Properties, select the Change Properties button, and now you can name this whatever you want. So we can change it print to PDF, whatever you want to call it. Again, this will apply for any printer on your computer. And you may need to restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So if you actually went back into printer properties here, you can see that you need to go ahead and actually probably go and restart your computer. And there you go. That's why it wasn't edited, because it was a no longer existent printer, because now it's a new printer. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.